Welcome to the How To Studio. In this video, I'm going to show you a free tool that you can use to record your screen and also do streaming, and it's all free. I'm actually using this tool right now to record this video. So this tool is called OBS Studio. So you're going to want to go to Google and then type in OBS Studio, download. Then you're going to click on download OBS Studio. And then here you can choose to download based on your operating system. If you have a Windows, then you just go ahead and click download installer, and then you can actually download it on your computer. So once you have downloaded the screen recording tool for free on your PC, then you can open it up, and this is what it will look like. So you can actually set it up to have a hotkeys. So you're going to want to go to settings, and then you click on hotkeys, and then you can create any hotkey that you want to easily start your recording, stop your recording, start your streaming, stop your streaming. I have hotkeys for the escape button. So when I click escape, I start and stop my recording, and I use the hotkeys to pause recording. So this is something that you're going to want to do for easy access. And there's the general setup and so forth. For me, I didn't have to do much setting because it comes already custom set and the setting works for me. So all I have to do is add my hotkeys. But for you, you might want to play around with the settings here. But you can just test it out to see how it works, if the default settings work for you. Okay, so once you have updated your setting, you're going to want to make sure you add a source for your recording. So to add a source, you just click on the add button, and there are multiple options in here. For me, I just did the display capture so that it can record my screen. So if you're looking for a free screen recorder for your Windows PC or your Mac or your Linux, then the OBS Studio is a highly recommended tool for you. It's free, it's easy to use, and it will get a job done. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions about the OBS Studio or any other free screen recording tool, just let me know in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to help. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you the next time.